Hi, my name is FARHANA YILDIRIM with HAMDI. I will present question 1, number 1. A1 Roman. Frequency equal to M. So in annually, M equal to 1, semi-annually, M equal to 2, every 4 months, M equal to 3, every 2 months, M equal to 6. A2 Roman. Rate per period I. The formula for I is I equal to K over M. K is the rate. So based on the question, the rate is 6.5. In annually, I equal to 0.065 over 1. Semi-annually, I equal to 0.065 over 2. Every 4 months, I equal to 0.065 over 3. Every 2 months, I equal to 0.065 over 6. A3 Roman, the number of conversion period N. So, the formula for N is N equal to M times T. T is the years. So, based on the question, the years is 8 years. So, for annually, N equal to 8. Semi-annually, N equal to 16. Every 4 months, N equal to 24. Every 2 months, N equal to 48. A for Roman, the compound amount. So the formula for compound amount is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N. So for annually, S equal to 30,000 bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 1 bracket power of I, power of 8. S equal to, so the S equal to 49649.87. Semi-annually, S equal to 30,000 bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 2 bracket power of 16. S equal to 50045.18. Every 4 months, S equal to 30,000 bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 3 bracket power of 24. S equal to 50181.38. Every 2 months, S equal to 30,000 bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 6 bracket power of 48. S equal to 50319.91. A5 Roman, the compound interest. The formula for compound interest is A equal to the compound interest. The formula for compound interest is I equal to S minus P. The amount of S is equal to A for Roman, so that the total I for annually is 19649.87. Semi-annually, I equal to 20045.18. Every 4 months, I equal to 20181.88. Every 2 months, I equal to 20319.91. The answer of the question B, the more often compound in a year, the higher the interest that Amri will get. If compound annually, the total amount in the end of 8 years he will get is RM 19649.87. But if compound every 2 months, the amount that he will receive is RM 20319.91.
Hi, my name is FATINI ZULAIKHA BINTI AHAMAD PAZIL. I'm going to continue the question. From this question, we can visualize all the information in the timelines, just like the above. For question A, we must find the saving amount left in Chong's account at the end of the 6th year. So, we start by write the formula that is S equals to P, 1 plus I, power of N. 3,580 ringgit times 1 plus 0.0485 over 12 because of compounded monthly, and power of 12 times 2, and we will get 3,493 ringgit 89 cents. This answer is for the remaining 2 years, not 6 years as required by the question. So we need to continue with the amount withdrew from the account. 3,493 ringgit 89 cents times 0.3 because of 30% withdrawal, and we will get 1,183 ringgit 17 cents. As for the balance in account, 0.7 times 3,943 ringgit 89 cents equals to 2,760 ringgit 72 cents. After that, we will find the new S. Still using the same formula, 2,760 ringgit 72 cents times 1 plus 0.0485 over 12, power of 12 times 4 for the fourth last year, and the answer is 3,350 ringgit 47 cents. For the question B, Chong add another 1,500 ringgit into the same account and asked to find the total amount of 2030, which is another 4 years from the recent years. So we just need to add 3,350 ringgit 47 cents and 1,500 ringgit, and we will get 4,850 cents, 4,550 ringgit 47 cents. Then we proceed with finding S, that's 4,850 ringgit 47 cents times 1 plus 0.0485 over 12, power of 12 times 4, that's equals to 5,886 ringgit 64 cents.
Hello, my name is Batrisya binti MARZUKI. I will be explaining for the next question, number 3. Now we will look at A. We need to find the nominal interest rate, K, compounded quarterly. First of all, we have to do the timeline from 0 to 7 as it stated, 7 years. Put I equal to 0.045 over 12 for the first 3 years and I equal to K over 4 for the rest of the period. They invested 4,500, so P equals to 4,500. And it has stated that S equal to 6,406.59 cents. First, we need to find new P using S formula. So 4,500 times 1 plus 0.045 over 12 power of 3 times 12, then we get 5,149 and 12 cents. Then we need to find I. Fill in the number available in the S formula and then change the formula that bring I to the front. So I equals to source of power 16, 6,406.59 cents over 5,149 12 cents minus 1, and we get I equals to 0.01375. After that, write down the formula I equal to K over M and bring K to the front, so K equals to 0.0137 times 4 and we get 0.055. Change it to percentage and the final answer is 5.5%. Next, for B, the question asks to find T. We got the information that S equal to 5,418.69 cents, P equals to 6,406.59 cents, I equal to 0.055 over 4 and N equal to 40. As we need to find the power of N, we need to use log. So first use the formula S equal to P times 1 plus I power of 6 and fit the number that available. We need to do one by one until we fill log to find N. After calculate before log, we got 1.3141 equal 1.01375 power of 40. And then we insert log 1.3141 equals 40 log 1.01375. 40 equals to log 1.3141 over log 1.01375. Calculate it and the final answer we will get 5 years. For question 2a, we got the information that the investment were made since Ariana were 1 year old, so it means it has been 70 years since the investment were made. For 1 Roman, we need to find S for each investment. Use formula S equal to R times 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I. So for Amanah Fund, insert the number 200 times 1 plus 0.032 over 12 power of 12 times 17 minus 1 over 0.032 over 12. Then we got 54,122 and 82 cents. Same goes to PB Trust Fund. S equal to 2,000 times 1 plus 0.04 over 1 power of 17 minus 1 over 0.04 over 1, and we get 47,395 and 2 cents. Next, for 2 Roman, we need to find the interest charge from each investment. Just use the formula I equals to S minus R times N. For Amanah Fund, 54,122 and 82 cents minus 200 times 204. Then we got 13,322 and 82 cents. For PB Trust Fund, I equals to 47,395 and 2 cents minus 2,000 times 17. And we got the answer 13,395 and 2 cents. Next is 3 Roman. We need to find the percentage of return for each investment. For Amanah Fund, 13,322 and 82 over 54,122.82 times 100%, and we get 24.62% as the percentage of return. And then for PB Trust Fund, the percentage of return equals to 13,395.02 over 40,395.02 times 100%. So the answer is 28.26%. For the last one, for Roman, they ask which investment I would prefer. So my answer is I would prefer PB Trust Fund because it's offer the highest interest than Amanah Fund.
For question 2b, we will use formula A equals to 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative N divided by I. We can list down all the information given from the question. So first, we need to add the savings from her parents that amounted 101,517 ringgit 84 cents. Then we just enter all the information given into the formula. We need to simplify the equation by move 500 ringgit to the left and make 101,517 ringgit 84 cents divided by 500, and we will get 203 ringgit 36 cents. Then we move the fraction to the left and make it multiply with the 203.03568. That's equal to 0.6767,856. The question asks us to find amount of that is the number. The question asks us to find amount N, that is the number of interest period. So we need to use the law of logarithm. So we are going to use calculator for make it easy way. Just ignore the negative on the N first and just enter log 10 0.32322144 over log 10 1.003333, and we will get negative N is equals to negative 339 ringgit and 40 cents. We just cut the negative N, we will divide it with 12 and we will get 28.28 years, and the final answer would be 29 years.